I'll spare you the painfully slow unboxing process, which was a bit awkward on my own, but here it is, unboxed in all its glory. This is the new Ego fully commercial battery powered lawnmower, the LMX5300 SP. This is the kit, so it comes with the two 12 amp hour batteries and the two turbochargers, which charge these 12 amp hour batteries in about 30 minutes apparently. Very impressive. So I'll have 24 amps of 56 volts powering this bad boy. Looking forward to using it if it ever stops raining. Don't want to get it wet first time out, so we've got dual battery slots there with a good cover, nice and strong. Doesn't feel all flimsy like the previous model. It's good, it's strong. Comes with a mulch plug and a bag. Quite a tall exit there. It is quite thin still, as you can see. It's probably just over a half of, or just under a half of the back, but it's tall, so it should allow some good discharge into the bag. Two height adjusters, one on the back wheels, one on the front wheels, does both the wheels. So there's only two to adjust the height, which is great. If it was four, like one on each wheel, it probably would have been a bit of a deal breaker. So I'm really glad they did it like this. I would have preferred one, but two's good because you can angle it slightly up or down then if you've got super long grass, which is helpful. But nice and easy to do. Bit awkward with one hand, but that goes up and down super easy. You've got 8 height settings from 20mm up to, I'll have to double check actually, but I think it's about 100mm. So lots of adjustment. 20mm, going down to 20mm is sweet as well, because most battery mowers currently on the market only go to 25mm, and that's just not really low enough. So up at the handles here we've got, this is your go bar, so same as the Hondas basically, which is great. They've done away with those thumb button things that they had on the previous top of the range model that they did, which was really only a residential model, and I totally get that, and it performed like a residential mower too, but this thing is a completely different ball game. So this bar is your self-propelled. To get the blades going, you push that in, then you pull this, and that'll get the blades going. You've got lights on the front, and you've got Eco 1 and 2. This is your self-propelled speed dial, and it gets up to some speed. I was just playing around with it in the shop before I bought this, but yeah, everything's solid, built like a tank. Very cool indeed. No cables hanging out, all internal wiring up the handle, so you're not going to get it caught on branches, gates, trailer doors, whatever. Aluminium deck, big beefy chunky wheels, rubberized grab handle, nudge bar at the front. Like, this thing is bloody awesome. Even the way the handle connects, like, it's solid. It's just like a cast piece of iron. It's probably not, but it's solid. There's no give, there's no wiggle. Like, the handlebars are, yeah, solid, and it weighs a bit too, eh? Like, it's heavy. I don't actually know what is the, I don't know what the actual official weights are, but it definitely feels like a proper, it feels like the 216, the Honda. Solid, tank-like. Got a good bag with a little, that's quite cool. That goes, obviously just sort of slots into the lip underneath there. And presumably, having just looked at that, initially when I looked at this, see that cable routing thing down there? I wondered whether it would get caught with grass, but that box, obviously, that's the bit just sort of slides over the top of that. See, mulch plug. Yeah, that's a good size exit actually. Wow, that's great. So that bag, that little bit on the bag at the bottom there, will just go straight in and slide over there. So this, I was concerned that this might be a drama with that, but there won't be. Rubber flap as well on the bottom, of course. Single blade. I've ordered the high lift blade as well, so we'll see what this one's like and we'll swap it out afterwards. But nice, easy, clean deck. Yeah. 53cm self-propelled. Nice work, Ego. This looks bloody awesome. Just chucked a couple of 5 amp hours in there just to give you a bit of a go. So this is on eco. We'll go up to number 1. Number 2. It's pumping out the air out the back here. You can see it's folding up this door, and that's got a fairly big spring on it. So yeah, that's great. Oh, self-propelled's off, so you can turn it off. That's good. And there's no delay when you go forward, stop, just pull it straight back. There's no, you haven't got to wait, 1 or 2 seconds like on the previous models. It just pulls straight back. Very cool. Got your light. In case you want to mow in the dark. Okay. That's a little quick first look at the new Ego mower, and yeah, we'll get the batteries charged up and we'll give it a whirl if it ever stops. As I said, if it ever stops bloody raining, which we'll see. I'll come back to you. Yeah, very cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.